Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and for this video, let's draw Gaster from Undertale. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw Gaster, and to begin, we're gonna draw his head first because it's basically one egg shape. So just kind of draw the best of an egg shape you can do, and kind of make it a little bit sharper on the bottom. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw his eyes. So let's see, the big one we're gonna draw. It's almost like a triangular shape. It just kind of rounded out a little bit. Okay, and once we have that, we can go on to the other side. And this one's gonna be kind of almost close. So just draw that first, and then just come in, almost like a little boomerang shape. Okay, so it's very simple. And so right below it, we're gonna draw his mouth. So again, it's gonna be another boomerang shape, a little bit wider. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw just a little bit of an eyeball there. And let me shade it in real quick so we can see this a little bit better. It's a pretty cool looking character. I'll shade this one too. And then from there, he's got this little mark here, so just go up, just kind of wiggle around. And I'm gonna give it some thickness here. Okay, and then another one here between the eyes and the mouth. So I'm gonna shade this in as well. So that's it for his head. There's not much detail on his head, but it's very cool looking. So we're gonna go down and we're gonna draw his neck. So we'll draw two lines like that, and then we're just gonna close it off. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw his little, kind of like a sweater in there. So just kind of give it a little bit, like it's all bunched up in there. Okay, and then we're gonna draw, this is actually gonna be part of his coat, but we'll just go straight down with a triangle like that. Okay, and then we're gonna draw his collar. So we can come down and just give it a little angle right there. And then on the other side as well. Okay, so that's gonna be part of his suit. All right, so we're gonna draw his shoulders. So we're just gonna draw two lines coming out. And then now we're gonna taper it in. So this will be to his waist. So this is gonna be one long coat, but we're not drawing that first because we need to draw his arms first. Okay, so once we have that, we're gonna draw this side, his arm. So we're gonna come down, go back up, close it off. Then we're gonna draw the little cuff in here. Okay, and then now we can draw his hand. So we're gonna come up a little bit, and now we're gonna draw his thumb right here. It's gonna be long hand, so come up, this will be the palm. We're gonna keep going. And we're gonna draw one finger here, it's gonna be bent. And we're gonna draw another one, kind of semi-bent. So that's 1, 2. Draw another one, 3, and then one more. We'll just connect this one to the thumb. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a little circle in here. I'll just shade it in. All right, so let's move on. And his body is it's pretty long, so I'm not gonna draw it as long. You can draw his coat longer if you want. So we'll just basically from the middle, right here. We're just gonna come down quite far, okay? So once we have that, we can extend this area right here. We're just gonna come down. Sorry, I'm having a hard time showing you everything on screen. So I'm gonna close this off. Okay, and then from here in the middle somewhere, we're gonna draw the other side of this coat, and it's gonna be a little bit, I'll make it a little bit flowy. So we're gonna connect this. and just connect it. Okay. So let's finish up this other arm right here. I'll just have them folded behind the back. So we're just gonna come straight down, just turn it. Okay, very simple. And let's draw maybe like 3 buttons in here. Okay, and now all we have to do is just draw his legs, which will be pretty simple. So from here, we're just gonna come be one straight line past the coat. I'm gonna come in, close it off here with a slant, and then we're gonna draw his shoes. And I'm gonna give him a little bit of a heel here. Okay. I'm gonna draw the other side. Come down, same distance as that. Close it off. Okay, and then now the back of the coat. And that's it for this Gaster character from Undertale. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.